The day of commemoration, which is 7th of April. Can you be kind enough to commemorate with us and stop there? And there are 365 days in a year. Give us that day, 7th of April, commemorate with us.
In the quiet hands of a ripe lake, morning once rose, gentle and calm. Children laugh beneath the sun, fire leaves lift as one. But shadows came with hated lights. Darkness covered hopeful skies. Neighbors turned, hearts filled with fear, crying voices no one could hear. Never again, never again, let the world remember what happened then. Tears fell like endless rain. So much loss, so much pain. Never again, never again. Humanity must not forget their names. From Rwanda's broken land, we rise and say never again. Never came with never again. Let compassion lead all men from our wonders memory. We bore humanity. Never again. Let love be stronger than hate within. For every life we lost, we remember the past. Whispers of hope remain, healing through the pain. From Rwanda we stand together, hand in hand. Never again. Never again.